In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to play Grand Theft Auto 5 on the Nintendo Switch. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. To answer this, as you can see, I'm at the official GTA 5 website at the Rockstar Games page. As you can see here, the first thing we see is an announcement that the game is now available on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. If we scroll all the way down after reviewing news about the game and a lot of screenshots, we get to this part that allows us to buy the game. We can choose between Grand Theft Auto Online or just GTA 5. Let's select GTA 5, select platform, and as you can see over here from the options, it does not list Nintendo Switch. We only have PC, PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5, and Xbox One and Xbox Series X or S. Even if we go over to the Grand Theft Auto Online Buy Now page, it only allows us to choose between PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. Nowhere in this page is a description for this game on Nintendo Switch. This is because sadly, as of today, GTA 5 and GTA Online are not accessible on the Nintendo Switch. The game has never been officially released for the Nintendo Switch console, and there are no news of development for the game for that console. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that GTA 5 is not available on the Nintendo Switch, and it's impossible to play if you want to play it on a Nintendo Switch console. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.